guys, welcome to a new video. Now I am explaining the lesson fundamental unit of life of biology subject. Now let's start the video. What is a cell? Cell is the fundamental unit of life. It is known as structural and functional unit of life because whole body is made up of cell and all functions regulates inside the cell. You can see the cell parts. First, it is nuclear membrane. Next, nucleus, Golgi apparatus, cell membrane, centrioles, endoplasmic reticulum, cytoplasm, ribosomes, nucleolus, lysosome, and mitochondria. These are the parts of cell. Cell examples are onion peel, sperm, and fat cell, blood cell, smooth muscle cell, and etc. Types of cell: unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular are some organisms are constituted by a single cell. They will have only single cell. They are known as unicellular. Example: amoeba and paramecium, etc. Multicellular. They have more than one cell. Are called multicellular. Example: human being, etc. You can see the amoeba. It is the example of unicellular. Paramecium. Cell consists of different organelles. It contains nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, lysosomes, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, plastids, cell wall, and Golgi apparatus. Cell is divided into two categories: prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Prokaryotic have well-defined nucleus and not present in cell. They are simple in structure. It contains single chromosomes. Nucleus is absent in prokaryotic cell. Size of the prokaryotic cell is generally small, 1 to 10 micrometer. Next, eukaryotic. It has well-defined nucleus and are present. They are complex in structure. They contain more than one chromosome. Nucleus is present and they are generally large, 5 to 100 micrometers. Next, cell have various shapes of cell. They are found in various shapes such as round shape, spherical shape, oval shape, spindle shape, branch shape, etc. Cell organelles. Nucleus. It is a very important organelle of the cell as it regulates all the activities of the cell. Nucleolus. It is a part of nucleus. It is known as factory of ribosomes. It helps in protein synthesis of the body. Chromosome. They are vehicle of genes. Genes are carried by chromosomes. Generally, they express our characteristics such as intelligence, comprehension, and height, etc. Nucleus, you can see here nucleus. It is spherical in shape. Some curves are there. Nucleus, you can see here. Chromosomes, these are chromosomes. Now endoplasmic reticulum. It is located around the nucleus of the cell. They are large network like structure. It looks like tubules or round on oblong backs, vesicles. There are two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum RER and SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The main function of ER is poisonous deitrification of poisonous material and exchanging of material. Functions of RER. RER is a site of protein and they manufacture proteins. It consists of many ribosomes. So the surface is rough and they named as rough endoplasmic reticulum, RER. Endoplasmic reticulum you can see here. Now nuclear membrane. It is the outermost layer of the nucleus. It helps in exchange of material. It contains chromosomes. As you can see here, nuclear membrane. It has cytoplasm, nucleus, ribosomes, cell membrane, and nuclear membrane. Now Golgi apparatus. Camillo Golgi, a famous biologist and a scientist, recognized the Golgi body in the nerve cell. He invented the Golgi apparatus. They are located in the nerve cell as well as in every part of the cell. They are in a parallel way. It consists of system of membrane. It has bound vesicles arranged approximately parallel to each other in stacks and also called misters. The main function of Golgi body includes the storage, modification and packing of products in vesicle. It helps in the synthesis of lysosomes. You can see here Golgi apparatus. The body contains transphase, secretory vesicle, sysphase, incoming transport vesicle, cisternae, lumen, etc. Now lysosomes. They are also known as suicidal bags of the cell. They look like rounded bodies consist of digestive enzymes. It have curves and middle there is a space. Lysosomes acts as cleaners or sweepers of the cell. It acts as a suicidal bag as they consist of powerful digestive enzymes. Lysosomes you can see here. It will be round-like structure. These are known as lysosome. Mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of a cell as it helps in production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Mitochondria have two membrane covering in which outer membrane is porous in nature while the inner membrane deeply folded. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. In the energy currency of cell, it is used for ranking new chemical compound and for mechanical work. Mitochondria, you can see on mitochondria, it has a inner membrane, outer membrane, cristae and matrix. Inside there will be curve-like structure. Plastids, present in only plant cell. There are two types of plastid: chromoplast and leucoplast. Chromoplast are colored plastids. Leucoplasts are colorless of white plastids. Plastids with chlorophyll pigments are called as chloroplast. They can be green, red, yellow and brown depending upon the types of pigments. Their functions are: chloroplast are known as kitchen of the cell. It helps in the synthesis of food by the process of photosynthesis. Lactoplast store material such as starch, oil and protein. Chromoplast impart colors to flower which helps in pollination. You can see here. Vacuoles store as sacs for solid or liquid material. Vacuoles are large and numerous in plant cell. They are small or absent in animal cell. You can see here vacuole. It will be green like structure. Now cell wall. It is a rigid outer covering outside the plasma membrane is called cell wall. It is found in mainly fungi, bacteria and plant cells. It is found mainly fungi, bacteria and plant cells. In plant cell, wall is made up of cellulose. It is the cell wall, outer covering of the cell. Membrane or plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the outermost covering of the cell that separates the cell from external environment. It is a semi-permeable membrane. It is flexible and is made up of liquids and protein microscope. Its flexibility helps the cell to engulf in food and other material from its external environment. This process is called as endocytosis. For example, amoeba. You can see here plasma membrane. It contains many parts: hydrophilic region, carbohydrate side chain, glycoprotein, integral protein, phospholipid, hydrophobic region, hydrophilic region, transmembrane protein. It is the fluid mosaic membrane model. Hydrophobic region, It contains these all parts. Now cell membrane. It contains lipid bilayer. It contains proteins, carbohydrate chains, transport protein and phospholipids. Diffusion. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of substance from a region of higher concentration to lower concentration on it is called diffusion. It plays an important role in gaseous exchange between cell as well as the cell and its external environment. In diffusion, solute transport is from the left to right. Movement of the solutes is due to concentration gradient dc or dx. Osmosis. What is osmosis? Osmosis is the passage of water from a region of high water concentration to region of low water concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. It is called osmosis. You can see here osmosis diagram. You can see here. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. Bye.